So this is the next example here. The number of values of theta belongs to 0, pi. Open interval here 0, pi. For which the system of linear equation has a non-trivial solution here. And you know that the system has a non-trivial if delta is a 0 and delta 1 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 0. So delta is equal to 0. So delta is equal to 0 implies a determinant of. So right here 1 3 7 here 1 3 and 7 minus 1 plus 4 and 7 here. Then sin 3 theta, then cos 2 theta, then plus 2, that is equal to 0. So this implies here 1 into 4 2s are 8 minus of 7 into cos 2 theta is 7 cos 2 theta here. Minus of 3 minus 1 into 2 gives a minus of 2 here, minus of 7 sin 3 theta, 7 into sin of 3 theta here. Then plus 7 here into bracket minus 1 into cos 2 theta is a minus of cos 2 theta minus 4 into sin 3 theta is a minus of 4 into sin 3 theta, that is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, this implies here 1 into this one 8 minus 7 cos 2 theta, keep as it is here. Then we take a minus 3 inside here. Minus into minus becomes a plus. 3 2s are 6 here. Minus into minus becomes a plus. 7 3s are 21 sin 3 theta. Then 7 cos 2 theta minus 7 into cos of 2 theta here. Then plus into minus become minus 7 4s are 28 here. 28 sin of 3 theta is equal to 0. Okay. So this implies here. This implies 21 sin 3 theta minus 28 sin 3 theta. Minus 7 into sin of 3 theta. Okay. Minus 7 cos 2 theta. Minus 7 cos 2 theta gives a minus of 14 cos 2 theta. Okay. Then 8 plus 7 becomes 8 plus 6 here is a 14 plus 14 is equal to 0. Then dividing both sides by minus 7 here. So this implies here sin 3 theta, keep as it is here. Minus 7 cancels here. Minus into minus upon minus become plus here. So 7 ones are 7 2s here. 2 into cos of 2 theta. And plus 14 upon minus 7 gives a minus of 2, that is equal to 0. So use the trigonometry formula. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 into sin cube theta. Sin cube theta. Then plus 2 into bracket 1 minus 2 into sin square theta. Then minus of 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore this implies here. So 3 into sin theta minus of 4 into sin cube theta. Take 2 inside the bracket. 2 ones are 2 minus of 4 into sin square theta minus 2, that is equal to 0. Here plus 2 and minus 2 get cancels here. So this implies minus 4 sin cube theta is there. Minus 4 into sin cube theta. Okay. Then minus 4 sin square theta here. Minus 4 into sin square theta. Plus 3 sin theta. Plus 3 into sin theta is equal to 0. So from these three terms we can take minus sin theta common factor here. Okay. Minus of sin theta is a common factor. Hence 4 sin square theta, right in the bracket here. 4 sin square theta. Then 4 sin theta plus 4 into sin theta here. Then minus of 3. Minus 3 that is equal to 0. Minus sin theta is equal to 0. And here this equal to 0. Again it is a quadratic equation here. 4 3s are 12 here. And the plus pound. Therefore you can take a 6 and 2. 4 into sin square theta plus 6 into sin theta minus of 2 sin theta minus 3 that is equal to 0. So 4 sin theta can be written as 6 sin theta minus 2 sin theta. Take this minus right side here. Hence sin theta is equal to 0. Okay. And here from these two terms here, 2 sin theta common factor here. 2 sin theta is a common. Then right here 2 sin theta plus 3 in the bracket here. Then the minus of one common factor, 2 sin theta plus 3 that is equal to 0. Here sin 3 theta plus 3 common, 2 sin theta plus 3 common factor here. 2 sin theta plus 3 is the common factor here. 2 sin theta minus 1. 2 into sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Here sin theta equal to 0. So sin theta is equal to 0. And sin theta is minus 3 by 2 here. Minus 3 divided by 2. And sin theta is 1 divided by 2 here. Okay. Sin theta is 0. This is 0 here. Sin theta is minus 3 by 2. And sin theta equal to 1 upon 2 here. But this value is not possible here. But sin theta is not equal to minus 3 divided by 2 here. Okay, because sin always in between. Sin theta is always in between minus 1 and plus 1 here. Therefore, minus 3 upon 2 is not possible here. So take only 0 and 1 upon 2 here. Okay. Therefore, when sin theta equal to 0, when sin theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0. Okay. When sin theta is 1 upon 2 here, when sin theta is equal to 1 upon 2, then theta is equal to pi divided by 6 or pi minus of pi by 6 here. Therefore, pi by 6 here 6 ones are 6 minus 1 becomes 5 here. 5 pi divided by 6 here. But only these two values are belong to this one here, the given range here. Here theta is equal to 0, not belong to 0 comma pi, because this is open interval here. Open interval, so 0 not included in that range here. Here pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6 both belong to 0 and pi. Okay. Here the open interval is 0 comma pi. Here both values belong to 0 comma pi. Therefore, here the first option is correct. 2 is the answer. So the system of equation has infinitely many solutions here. Then beta minus alpha is equal to what here? So you know that the system has infinitely many solutions here. Then delta is 0 as well as delta 1 0, delta 2 0 as well as delta 3 also 0 here. Hence here take a delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0 implies a determinant of so 1 and 1 here. Then write here 1 plus 2 and plus 3. Then 1 3 alpha that is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Then expand it here. 1 into bracket 2 into alpha becomes 2 alpha minus of 9 here. Then minus 1 into bracket alpha minus 3 plus 1 into 3 minus 2 that is equal to 0. So this implies here 2 alpha minus of 9 here minus alpha plus 3. 3 minus 2 gives 1 that is equal to 0. Here sir 2 alpha minus alpha becomes 1 alpha here. 3 plus 1 becomes 4 minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Take minus 5 right hand side here. So alpha value is 5. Then take delta 3 is equal to 0. Delta 3 here. Delta means replace this last column by 5, 9 and beta here. First two columns are right as it is here. So 1 and 1 here. 1, 2 and 3. Last column replaced by 5. Then this 9 and beta here. That is equal to 0. Therefore this implies here 1 into bracket 2 into beta becomes 2 beta. 9 3s are 27 here. Minus 1 into beta minus of 9. Then plus 5 into bracket so 3 minus 2 that is equal to 0. So this implies here 2 beta minus 27 here minus beta minus into minus becomes plus 9 here. 3 minus 2 gives 1. 1 into 5 becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 beta minus beta is a beta here. Minus here 9 plus 5 is a 14 minus 27 plus 14 is a minus of 13 here. Take minus 13 right hand side here. It becomes a plus 13 here. Therefore beta minus alpha is equal to 13 minus 5 is equal to 8 here. So first option is correct. 8. Here the system of the set of values here. The set of all values of lambda for which the system of linear equation has a non-trivial solution. Again the system has non-trivial, then delta is 0. Yes, delta is equal to 0 implies determinant of unity 1 minus 2 and minus of 2 here. Okay, so just a minute here you have to take this lambda x in the left side here. So x is the common factor here, so it is 1 minus of lambda here. 1 minus lambda minus 2 and minus 2 here. Take lambda by left side here, it becomes minus lambda by. Then from this to y is the common factor here. So right here 1 2 minus lambda, 2 minus of lambda and plus 1 here. So 1 here. Take lambda as the left side here. So minus 1 minus of lambda that is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now you simplify here. So this implies here 1 minus lambda here. Keep as it is into bracket minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus lambda into bracket 2 minus lambda minus minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1, minus of minus become plus here, plus 1 here. Then minus of minus become plus 2 here, 2 into bracket 1 into minus lambda is a minus lambda minus 1, minus 1 into 1 become minus 1, minus this minus become plus here, so plus 1 here. Minus 2, so right here minus of 2 into 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 here, minus 1 into 2 minus lambda minus 2 minus lambda, minus this minus becomes a plus here, 2 minus lambda. 2 minus lambda, that is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Yes, so this implies here 1 minus lambda, keep as it is here into bracket. Minus lambda into 2 is a minus of 2 lambda. Minus into minus becomes a plus lambda square plus 1 here. Then here by plus 2 into bracket minus lambda plus 1 is 1 minus of lambda. Minus lambda plus 1 can be written as 1 minus lambda. Then minus of 2 into bracket. Again here minus 1 plus 2 becomes a plus 1 here. So 1 minus of lambda. Okay, minus 1 plus 2 becomes a plus 1. Minus of lambda is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then here 1 minus lambda is a common factor here. So right outside. So 1 minus lambda common factor here into bracket minus of 2 lambda plus lambda square plus 1 here. Then plus 2 and minus 2. That is equal to 0. Plus 2 and minus 2 get cancels here. Therefore this implies here in this case take a minus common factor here. Minus is the common here. So lambda minus of 1 here. Minus common factor. Even here also okay, but write here lambda square here. Minus of 2 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Here this implies here minus of lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Then lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. Here I take a minus right side here. So lambda minus 1 equal to 0. And here lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 is lambda minus 1 whole square here is equal to 0. Therefore in both cases lambda value is 1 here. Therefore the required set here. Therefore required set is 1 here. It is a singleton here. Only one element in that set here. Therefore it is a singleton. Okay. Even you can direct take this equal to 0. This equal to 0 and this term equal to 0. Simplify we get again lambda value 1 here. Therefore the required set is a singleton set 1 here. It contains only one element. So C is the answer here.